Class 6 Subject Computer Lesson number 1 Internet. Introduction of Internet. Internet is a very large connection of computers which are connected to one another using telephone line or cable. The computer may be present at different places or in any part of the country. There are millions of computers connected with the network. History of Internet. You all must know about the history of the Internet. The history of Internet began with the development of the electronic computers in the 1950s. Later in 1969, the Department of Defense of the United States of America set up a network of computers called ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The network connected to one computer in California with 3 in Utah. This was the first step towards the creation of Internet. World Wide Web (WWW) or simply Web is a subset of Internet which contains huge amount of information. Web page. It is a page on the Internet which contains the information in the form of text, graphic, or sound. Web browsers. A web browser is a software application that enables the user of access, retrieves, and view and information and other resources on Internet. Internet service providers. Internet service provider ISP is a company or an organization which provides access to the Internet. Some methods of the providing this service are through dial-up telephone, cable, or high-speed wireless connectivity. For example, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL), Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited (MTNL). Home page. A home page is the main introduction page of the website. Hyperlink. A web page consists of text, picture, sound, and hyperlinks. A hyperlink may be a text or picture. It URL information resource locator. URL refer to the address or the location of a web page or the website on the Internet. Each website on Internet has a unique address. Modem stands for modulator demodulator. It allows your computer to use the telephone line or cable to get connected with the other computer. Modem convert the digital signal into analog signal and vice versa. Modems are basically of two types: internal modem, external modem. Internet access software. Internet access software is essential to set up and control the connections from the computer to the Internet. The two main components are dialer software and TCP IP network software. Internet application software is the Internet browser software or simply web browsers, or we can say that they provides connectivity to the Internet. Microsoft Internet Explorer. You can open any website through it. For example, the following screen is showing in a web page. Figure 1.5. Here is title bar, back button, address bar, favorite button, status bar, stop button, command bar. Search engine. A search engine is designed to search the information on the World Wide Web. Some of the popular search engines are Google www.google.com, Bing www.bing.com, Yahoo www.yahoo.com, etc. Google search is the most widely used searching engine on the World Wide Web. Internet services like e-learning, e-commerce, news groups, chat rooms, emails, advertising, online games and music, e-magazine, e-paper and e-book, online banking. Advantage of internet. There are 8 points. Read, okay, from this book. Disadvantage of internet: virus threat, hacking, okay, and 4 points is there. You read, okay, from this book. Okay, if you any confusion, any doubt, you ask me, okay. Okay, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.